A warm welcome to panel 1 Sir Azhar Rahman and panel 2 Sir Mustafa. My name is Sivanesan Kanasabhabati. I am from Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology. In this video, I am going to present about my bachelor degree project entitled Wireless Home Automation System using Arduino. My supervisor name is Sir Zaya Ashraf bin Zakaria. The content of my project presentation are project background, problem statement, objective, project scope, literature review, methodology, block diagram, the operation flowchart, expected result, and lastly conclusion. Now I am going to explain about project background. The fast advancement of innovation has unquestionably changed the living rules of society. The home automation system is observed by the people for a long time. Home automation is advancement that alter our people to perform errands normally. These days, remote control make our life simpler by controlling electronic device. Home automation grants to control our electronic device like fan, light, door, smoke detection and more. Home automation system basically uses of information technology that decrease human effort. In addition, it also save time and energy. Home automation system help us to remotely control home appliance using smartphone. This type of system has capacity to work with flexibility and contingency. Early home automation system mainly used for saving energy, but these days its essential purpose is to ease aged and disabled people do their daily routine and control the home appliance remotely. The use of Bluetooth technology in a smartphone nowadays not used for exchange of information as it were. But after the 20th century, Bluetooth development is used in various applications. A Bluetooth module is connected to Arduino board and a household device. Smartphone application is used for serial communication between Bluetooth module and a smartphone with the help of Arduino board. Next, I will explain about problem statement. The issue has constrained the progress of home automation, like the complexity in using it. The home automation system is getting to be necessary for the reason of making better our life condition. Besides, to initiate a system like home automation, which will be expensive, is the main reason for why people not getting much request and consideration on home automation. Consequently, it is fundamental to create it cost effective and convenient. People will be interested to use this system when it produced with lower cost and friendly budget. Additionally, home automation offer is to aged and disabled people in our home to remotely control what they require. There are three objectives for this project. The first one is to plan and carry out cost-effective home automation. The second one is to plan a system successfully control and monitor home appliance. And the last one is to plan a simple system specifically to help aged and disabled people in our home. Next is project scope. There are few project scope for this project. First one is to plan a system such cost effective, convenient and reasonable. People will be interested to use the system when it produces with cost effective, convenient and reasonable, where it will be useful and give benefit to many. And Arduino uses main controller for conveying signal to the electric device in our home. This project is for prototyping purposes. And last one is design the system to fulfill the requirement related to the objective. Now I am going to explain about literature review where I used 5 articles. For the first article, the technique and component used are using IoT, Arduino Uno board, 5-volt relays, fire sensor, Wi-Fi module, accelerometer, DC motor driver, and smartphone. The advantages are low cost and no internet needed. For the disadvantage are can be used only in short range, which is 10 meter to 100 meter, and less secure. For the second article, the technique and component used are using RFID and GSM, Arduino Nano, LCD, LDR, PI sensor, smoke sensor, relay, GSM, RFID, motor, and smartphone. The advantages are low cost and high reliability, and the disadvantages are less secure and less flexible. For the next article, the technique and component used are using IoT, Arduino Mega, light sensor, Bluetooth shield, Wi-Fi shield, relay, switch, LCD, temperature sensor, gas sensor, PI sensor, and smartphone. The advantages are low cost and no internet needed. The disadvantages are less flexible and less secure. For the fourth article, the component and technique used are using Bluetooth, Arduino Mega, Cytron Bluetooth, which is a Bluetooth module, relays, logic converter, and smartphone. The advantages are low cost and high reliability. The disadvantages are can be used in a short range, which is 10 meter to 100 meter. For the last article, the technique and component used are using Bluetooth, Arduino ATmega 328, Bluetooth module, relay circuit, driver IC, LED, light, fan, buzzer, and Android mobile. The advantages are low cost and high reliability, and the disadvantages are less secure and less flexible. Next, I am going to explain about methodology. For the methodology, first I am going to explain about block diagram of this project. For this block diagram, power supply is used, which will be supply power to the Arduino board. Arduino Uno was used as Arduino board. A smartphone also will be used to be connected to the Bluetooth module, which is HC05 is going to use as a Bluetooth module, which will be connected to the Arduino board. From the Arduino board, it will connect to the relay and LCD. From the relay, it will be connected to the appliance such light and fan. Next, I will explain about the operation flow process. When it gets started, the power supply turns on. The Arduino board gets supplied by the power supply. The Android phone will be connected to the Bluetooth module, where the smartphone application will be connected to the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module will be connected to the Arduino. Then the Arduino will connect to the LCD and relay, where the LCD will act as displaying the system, and the relay will be connected to the home appliance, and it will be the end of the process where the user can control the home appliance using the smartphone application. Next, I will explain about the expected result. There are three scenarios and three expected results. Okay, for the first scenario, when the Android phone connected to Bluetooth module, the expected result for the scenario is the smartphone application will be connected with Bluetooth module. It can control just with a click of button on an Android phone and everything works. For the second scenario, the Arduino connecting to the appliance. The expected result for the scenario is the appliance such light will work as it receives instruction from the smartphone application. For the last scenario, the function of the system. The expected result for the scenario is user can turn on or off the appliance using smartphone application. Lastly, I am going to conclude about my project. This study will be undertaken to develop a home automation system with cost-effective, easy to use, and ease the aged and disabled people. So people can get much benefit if this system produced with cost-effective, where normal people can afford to use this system at their homes. Moreover, when it is easy to use, the aged and disabled people will more likely to use the system, do their daily routine and control the system remotely. It helps them to not depending on others to control what they require. Besides, the system will help the users to remotely control the electronic device at their home, everywhere and every time being at home. It also assists save times and energy. This will allow the user to control and monitor the home automation system from anywhere and anytime, whereas at home. With the completion of this project, it is hoped that can open source, user-friendly and affordable home automation system which will be possible to everyone. Finally, home automation system will definitely give benefit to the user using it. The people and the society will get benefit by using this home automation system at their homes. Thank you for watching this video.